For many leaders, they're living in a question of how do I remain relevant in these times of disruption, change and uncertainty? And it's a big question for leaders because their identities are at stake, and what once worked a few years ago doesn't appear to be working now. And it's producing a mood of anxiety.
Now, we're in the digital or service era, and this era requires new skills and know-how. Alongside what's happening in digitisation, it's the way we work together that really needs to transform. So know-how is knowing how to build and restore trust, engage and mobilise human talent, knowing how to create conditions for innovation, and knowing when to step back and anticipate the play. Leadership Accelerator is a one-day intensive designed for busy leaders, leaders with a concern for the future, leaders who recognise that they need new ways of coordinating in increasingly complex environments, leaders who need to bring their teams on the same journey.
The Accelerator is an approach to learning that has a focus on skill building and building practices to coordinate action, to build conversational practices, and mainly building trust with other people.
This event is a taster of what we do at Liberated Leaders. Support leaders to reinvent themselves and remain relevant in times of profound disruption.
We've identified a number of skills that are absent or not being performed well for leaders and organisations.
So you'll walk away with skills and know-how that you can implement the very next day, maybe even that evening. Skills like restoring and building trust, creating conditions for innovation, fostering collaboration and accountability, and coaching to build capability.
And that's what makes this Accelerator experience so unique. Practice-based, we build skill, and leaders are able to apply that straight away in the workplace.